gotta get the back and stuff.
The camera had to adjust.
Before they close.
Give me just a minute. Okay, I just want you to see the structure up here. You can see the top of this anvil. Here's another cumulonimbus, but we got some cloud to cloud. A lot of thunder, a lot of energy. Over here, I can kind of see a little bit of a, I don't know if that's a shell structure or a wall structure, but I see some scud. All right, we got lightning coming up out of the northwest. This is south. This is southwest. This is where all the energy is coming from. That's cloud.
Starting to get a little closer.
Cloud to cloud. Oh yeah.
Seems like. Earlier, way over there, you hear the noise.
Look between the trees over there. You see what I'm saying?
Yeah.
You see like a line, and then you see some scud clouds underneath it. So it's gonna be pretty active. That could be a tail cloud to the one that's getting ready to move in from here. If that's a tail cloud, it could be rotating. Like I said, they just formed, so there's a lot of energy in these. Explosive development. I wish I could show you on the radar. If I had some sort of application, I'd show you guys, but I'll just be quiet so you guys hear everything. Not a whole lot of wind yet, but I think when this over here gets closer to us between the trees,
Yeah.
right there, it's gonna, that's when the wind's really gonna pick up. This is the underside of the anvil. We're under. Here's just another pop-up cumulus here, but we're underneath an anvil right here. So that's the blow-off. That's where the wind shear cuts the top of the cloud and blows it this way. That's what's pulling it this way. But there could be a different flow at ground level, and it could cause rotation in the storm. That's why I said that could be a tail cloud over there too. But it kind of just turned into a solid line there, and getting a few raindrops too.
No raindrops.
Well, what's the stars? I just hope that damn windshield holds up.
It's done mashed. Don't worry about it.
I know. Well, I don't want the interior to get ruined.
Yeah, I know.
In case we do get a check, because we got it online, we're gonna sell it. I got my new car, so shit don't matter now. Christina, she's really taking it hard. She missed that car. Said she loved it. Come on now. Now, what I saw on the radar was these two moving in right now, and there's about 2 or 3 more cells behind it that are coming together too. This started out as one cell and then developed into 2. There's, see the one to our south? See how it stretches up, it looks like an anvil? That is an anvil right there. You can see the bottom structure of it over here, the wall structure of it. So that's the one to the south of us. This is the one moving in here now. But there's more behind it that just developed. So it may come together and just form one big old blob. What do you think? You believe it or not, even with a video, it is extremely difficult to capture lightning. You can hear all the cloud happening over here. That's to our northwest. So that looks like that part's gonna hit. See, that was right there. That's what's heading towards us now. See that line between them trees?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's... See the way it's hanging? Kind of looks like it's pulling up a little bit. Here, let me zoom in on that. Let's get a better look at this. Wish I could zoom further. It's actually starting to rain now, so.
Yeah.
I record with an iPad, guys. I'm gonna have to bring this one in. Do want to capture this up. Especially there's a lot of activity. Once that hits here, it's gonna be a windy one. I think that thing is rotating. There's the cell right there. I see the outline of it. And this damn thing's rotating. So that was a tail cloud because it's on I guess we're seeing the northwestern edge of that cell. You can see it pulling in to the cell. So it's all kind of pulling this way. So it looks like there's some ground level wind going to the south while this thing's moving northeast. So the wind shear's got it pulling it northeast. See it moving to the left? It's moving south. That thing's rotating, buddy. This is, look, up here, right here, is moving northeast. But if you look at the back edge of it, which is, I think, where kind of a tail cloud's forming, it's more like scud clouds. They're moving south. So that cell right there that we're looking at is rotating. Doesn't mean it's a tornado, it just means it's a mesocyclone, but it could be potentially tornadic. Especially when you have explosive development like this. I mean, it just popped up within an hour.
Yeah.
1 hour. Look, we're starting to see it on this side now. The back edge of it.
Yeah.
Here we go. See, it's moving right towards us. A lot of cloud to cloud lightning all around us, mostly to the north. But this is where it shows all the energy is on the radar. That's the rain band. I don't really see a whole lot of rain in it. It's weird how that scud's moving, ain't it?
Oh, yeah.
You see that? See how it's rising? Yeah, that's called scud. Yeah, those are scud. It's developing a shelf right here all the way across the tree line here. And that's the inflow to the cell. So that would be where the most problematic part of the storm would be if it were to become tornadic. Let me get a better. What's this over here? There's a little bit of a tail cloud formation. A little bit. It's pulling into this cell right here. So it is a little rotation. And I'm shaking a lot. Damn coffee. Look at that shelf structure developing. And see how it drops down over here? I bet you that right there is where most of the inflow is happening. Oh, I see it. I can literally see it. That is a mesocyclone. It is definitely rotating. You guys see that? Here, fucking camera. Zoom, what the hell? Focus, my friend. There. If I could hold it still. You could actually see the underside of it and the back end of it. Look at that. I might be wrong. This might actually be the tail on the left side. Because it's rotating counterclockwise. It is rotating. No way. Yeah, this might start getting bad here real quick, real soon. As soon as this line gets over us, where this shelf structure right here, as soon as that gets over top of us, that's when the rain's gonna get heavy and the wind. Look at the inflow on that boundary there. Jeez. pretty energetic, man. That's a lot of energy. Look at it rising above the trees, the tree line here. See it? It's got a little bit, kind of broken part over there on what I said was the tail cloud, but you could definitely see the that flank where it's flowing in, and then over here to the horseshoe structure. The horseshoe structure would be the mesocyclone area. But it looks like it's kind of, I don't know, I can't really tell. It's not real organized. Over there it looks like most of the activity. It's one damn good strike of lightning. Come on. Careful what you wish for, right? Wow. It's actually got my heart racing. Look at that. Yeah, I can feel the breeze coming out of the south, directly out of the south. So the wind shear's pulling northwest, and now we got a breeze coming out of the east. So we got outflow. This is outflow dominant. We don't have inflow, we got outflow. Now I feel a pull coming out of the south again. It's got the dogs barking.
I gotta get a cigarette for you guys. I got nothing but one cigarette.
Hey, could you grab me one too? I'm gonna run you up there, all right? It's starting to rain, guys. And this light is getting closer and closer. Look at the scud lifting up into it.
Oh, I
The
see
little
it.
scraps lifting up into the main cell. You see it moving up into it? That's inflow. So that's where the most energetic part is, right there, where the horseshoe structure was. I can kind of see a horseshoe structure.
You what? My bigger Vic went down. It lost all its fuel almost. So I got this one.
I think I left one here. Where's your cigarette? Did I? I didn't get it. The wind.
There, back there.
Well, I mean, I'm blocking the fucking wind. The catch one thing, that's all.
You get closer, man. There you go.
That was a struggle.
I hate when that happens.
It looks like, as far as the wind is concerned, there's the rain band over there. This is the most energetic part right here. But most of the thunder, the lightning we're hearing, is in the anvil above us, so it's mostly cloud to cloud here. Let me zoom back out. Get a wider view. It's already been 10 minutes. It's about 14 minutes, shit. Look at that structure, man. That's a good one. See how it's developing like a line? So it's all going to connect, and then there's more behind it.
It's coming. Pull it, whatever. bit of light over there. Now there's more.
Yep. Look at a scud.
He's moving.
Scud clouds keep pulling up into the storm, so there's a lot of inflow there. I'm surprised we're not feeling wind at our backs. Okay, over here I see the bottom side to that. No, that's just part of the. Well, it's moving all different directions, ain't it? Look at that. That over there is moving that way. If you look at that one, it's moving to the south.
Yeah, it's getting lighter over there.
It's because it's getting closer. Look at this thing. There's the top of it. It's the top of the anvil. Just go down. There it is right there. There's the bottom of it. I just want to capture some lightning. So difficult. But it's going to be storming all day. I'm going to cut this video, give some updates if any more eventful shit happens.